everybody, welcome to Wise Words with Teacher Nick, coming to you from sunny Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In today's video, we're going to look at 5 pairs of English sounds which often cause problems for Korean speakers of English. In this video, I will teach you the British English pronunciation for these 5 tricky pairs of sounds. These pairs of sounds come from what we call the phonemic alphabet. Now, I'm sure you already know that English has 26 letters in the alphabet. However, there are actually 44 sounds that native speakers of English produce when we speak the language. Here are some pairs of words that contain these 2 sounds. While you're watching, pay attention to how my mouth moves when I'm making the sounds and try to repeat the sounds after I've said them. Now, the first pair of sounds that we're going to look at is I and E. I and E.
Sit.
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 Seat.
We can see and hear that the Korean speaker on the left does not make much distinction between the 2 different sounds. They're both pronounced almost the same way, whereas the British speaker on the right makes a clear distinction between the shorter I sound and the longer E sound.
It. Eat. It. Eat. His. He's. His. He's. The second pair of sounds that we're going to look at today is A and E. A and E.
Bad.
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 Bed.
Again, here on the left we can hear the Korean speaker who pronounces the words almost identically with almost identical sounds, whereas on the right you can hear the clear distinction between bad and bed that the British speaker is making.
Bad. Bed. Bag. Beg. Bag. Beg. Dad. Dead. Dad. Dead. The third pair of sounds that we're going to look at today is O and O. O and O.
Coke.
Coke.
Cork.
Cork.
So we can hear the Korean speaker is basically pronouncing the same sound twice, the O sound for both words. The British speaker, however, is making a distinction between an O sound and an O sound. So you can clearly hear they're 2 different sounds.
Coke. Cork. Poke. Pork. Poke. Pork. Tone. Torn. Tone. Torn. We'll then move on to consonant sounds. The first pair of consonant sounds we're going to look at is J and Z. J and Z.
Scrooge.
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 Screws.
We can hear here that the Korean speaker is having trouble pronouncing the J sound, and it's coming out as Z. So both words sound almost identical as screws from the Korean speaker. However, it should be a clear distinction between the sounds Scrooge and screws.
Scrooge. Screws. Jew. Zoo. Jew. Zoo. wage, ways, wage, ways. The last pair of sounds we're going to look at is another pair of consonant sounds, and it's f and p, f and p.
Copy.
Coffee,
Copy.
copy.
For these final two sounds, the f and p sounds, you can hear that the Korean speaker is clearly pronouncing both words with a p sound and is finding it hard to clearly enunciate the f sound. Whereas you can hear the distinction with the British speaker between the f of coffee and the p of copy.
Coffee, copy. From, prom. From, prom. Fan, pan. Fan, pan. Okay everybody, so those are 5 pairs of words which Korean speakers tend to find difficult to pronounce. I hope you followed along the video and tried to copy what I was saying, and I hope that your pronunciation of these tricky sounds has improved as a result. I look forward to making more videos and sharing with you some more pronunciation and English tips in the future. Bye!